right? It's gonna be a simple one. It's not gonna be complicated, where you guys can make this at home. All right, it's gonna be a step-by-step process. All right, and not only that, it's gonna be super easy and super simple. All right, so I'm already prepped my ingredients, so let's show you exactly what I have. So this is the organic cucumber I've been using over the last couple of days, and I got an organic carrot, and also I got 1 lemon, which I'm also going to be using to make this beautiful drink. All right, now these 3 ingredients will definitely help you to cleanse the kidney and detoxing the body. Also, the kidney and the liver are one of the most 2 important organs in your immune system, which you guys need to know. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly what you can just do and make this beautiful drink and use it at home. Now, you can drink it like for lunchtime, in the morning, for, you know what I mean, first thing when you wake up in the morning. If you have a hot drink, it's good to start the morning with a hot drink, and then you can go straight into something like this. All right, so let's jump straight into it, and not to hold up the show too long. So I'm gonna be using the blender. All right, then first of all, it's a step-by-step recipe. So I'm using a medium-sized carrot, which you guys will see earlier. Right. Medium-sized carrot, and you know what I mean, as I said, it's gonna makes the difference with this drink. Now, I remove the skin from the cucumber, and you don't have to, but I personally sometimes I just remove the skin. And to be honest with you, you only need these 3 ingredients, because these 3 ingredients is amazing. Lovely. Now I'm gonna get the medium-sized lemon. What you want to do, you want to squeeze out the juice out of the lemon like this. All right, nice one. I'm using 1 medium-sized lemon. Make sure you wash the ingredients, guys. Important, all right? Now we're gonna get some water. Okay. Now what I want to simply say to you, with the water I'm using, all right, I'm not gonna be using too much water. I'm just gonna use a little bit of water, because 95% of the cucumber is water, so you have to be careful how much water you're using. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more water. Lovely. So I'm gonna get the blender. And we're gonna cover it just like this. And that's the way it looks. That's all you need, guys. Right there. So if you have all of those 3 ingredients at home right now, all right, I would encourage you to go in the kitchen and do something like this. Now, what I'm gonna do I'm going to run it through my strainer because it's going to be a heavy fiber. Like, it's going to be really heavy. So I'm going to run it through this strainer, which is rough about 5% of it will come through this. And I will show you something. Let's blend. Lovely. So we just blend it, and this is what's gonna happen. Run through this one right here. You don't have to strain it, you can drink it as it is, but to be honest with you, it's gonna be really heavy. Right, then so you will see exactly why I say to you, this, if you have this kind of strainer, is very good. But if you don't have it, you don't have to worry yourself. Just use whatever you have. But look at this now. So rough about a teaspoon left back from it. Alright. Now this is a juice you can drink 2 to 3 times a day, guys. Honestly. Now let's pour it out to show you what I'm talking about. But look at this, it's beautiful. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Now, if you're at home this morning and you're watching this video, I encourage you guys, just go in the kitchen. What are the ingredients, please? All right, the ingredients is just carrot, organic cucumber, organic lemon. 3 ingredients. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day, or even 2 times a day. Trust me, you will see the difference. All right, 100%. Now I'm gonna simply say to you, so a friend tell a friend, and also please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. I will definitely come with more recipes and more ideas for you guys. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful recipe for you to try something different at home. If you like the recipe, as I said, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. Very simple. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day. It will definitely do the difference in your life. 1,000,000%, guys. All right. Love you all, and I will be seeing you guys with more recipes and more tips. Bye-bye for now. Now, the ingredients